lips is dry. Hey y'all, what's up? What it do? It's me. Hey boo. Welcome back to my channel. Yeah, I'm back. Y'all love the consistent uploads. Thank you, I do too. So I'm going to be showing you guys my everyday makeup routine. I was gonna make this a chit chat get ready with me, but I don't feel like talking that much. So I'm gonna talk a little bit and we'll keep going. I'm backwards. I do my makeup first before I do my hair. I know, right? Weird. But let's do it. Guys, so I have, here's a little backstory. It was almost a year ago. My nieces got into my makeup and ruined everything. My brushes, everything. I'm still replacing makeup, but even though my sister is supposed to replace it, but we're not gonna get into that. Anyway, my mom and stepdad got me new makeup brushes for Christmas. So this is what we're using today. I mean, I use them all the time, but this is what we're using today. And I'm doing a soft bead. I'm wearing a pink dress. I'm doing a cute pink eyeshadow, blush of course. And yeah, and I'm not using really that much foundation, but let's get into it. This is the primer I use. It's the e.l.f. Hydrating Face Perfect Primer. I use this and I just put it, because I don't put makeup on my forehead. So I just put it on my cheeks right here, and a little goes a long way. So I just spread it like that, just covered this whole side of my face. I need a little on my nose. Ooh, I got a boogie. Oh, and for all my girls with a nose ring, don't forget to clean your nose ring after you're done doing your makeup, okay? Healed or not, you need to clean it. Now that we have put on our primer, next is concealer. Well, honestly, I'm not touching my brows today. This is the pencil I have. It's a little worn now, but we make it work. My Fit Me concealer. Like I told you, my makeup is it got ruined, so this is just I go in the mouth. Next up is I take the same shade of concealer and I put it under. So I saw this happen on TikTok. She was like, don't put it on where your eye crease is, put it directly under. So I put it here, here, both sides, and I do 3 dots on my nose. And then I take my lighter shade and I just put it on the inside. Cause I don't like a super bright under eye. That don't look good to me. So yeah. Now let that sit and marinate. And while I wait for that to sit, get my flat iron out. So we let her sit a little bit. And now we're gonna blend. I still use a beauty blender. And what? Next. I look crazy right now, but we're gonna fix that. So I take my foundation, the little bit of, and then I dip it. But that's always, because I don't have a pump, so I always dip it before I have to scrape out the remainder. I always dip it and then just, I don't cover my small lines because they get so bad. But, well, you can see I did a little bit there, but. That's all the foundation I'm using today. Yep, it's literally all the foundation I'm using. Take this brush and okay guys, so my boyfriend said I look a ghost, but I knew that already. Let's fix my nose. So I take my Black Radiance contour palette. This is one of the best contour palettes in the world. Let's look at what the damage my nieces did. Oh my god! But it's okay, I can still use it. I take my contour and on my nose. I don't really contour my nose because I mean, like, I don't have a problem with my nose shape. Now let's blend that, cause it's a little better. Okay, so now I'm taking my Morphe setting powder. I have the shade Banana, and I have a powder beauty blender. I love beauty blenders. I love the ease of them. So I take it only a little because I don't want to look crazy. I do a minor bake. Literally just let it sit while I close everything and then wipe that off. It's a really good setting powder. Okay, now these brushes tell you what they use for. Not that I need that though, but okay, so now taking this is my blush and bronzer brush, taking that, dipping it in the sculptor, and just bringing some life back to my face. For my blush, I use this eyeshadow palette. It is the Revolution Ultimate Nudes. Cute little palette. I'm not really an eyeshadow girly either, so I dip it in this one and then this one, and we go to town. Okay guys, so now the eyeshadow I'm doing pink because I'm wearing a pink dress.
No, she's not. Okay, you are.
Thank you. So now let's do it. So I'm taking my mascara I got from Merit Beauty. Love this mascara. This brand is amazing. Take it and then I just put it on my bottom lashes because I do lashes. My bottom lashes are never like, I want to learn how to do them like the girlies on TikTok. The lashes I use I got from the beauty supply store. They're super natural looking, so that's really why I love them. But these are the lashes we're putting on. My method to putting on lashes is very simple. Just put them hoes on. Just put them on. Whenever people say they're confused on how to put on lashes, I be like, how? I mean, I guess my first time putting on lashes, but I'll look it up type of girl. I'm not finna go around looking stupid, looking confused. I'll look it up. Make sure you wipe off your nose rings. One lash, other lash, and yeah, that's my makeup. I'm gonna show y'all the final product when I have finished my hair, and then I'll be back. Hey y'all, I forgot to show y'all my lip combo, and I changed my hairstyle because the other one I couldn't figure out how to do it. So I used the NYX Butter Gloss in shade Lava Cake and Fortune Cookie, and I just mix it.
Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fit. Your body are too tight and neat. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease.
Hey guys, so I am ready. Thanks for tuning into my beauty secrets. This is the fit. Like, can you see? Pictures will be on Instagram anyway. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share. And without further ado, I love you. Thanks for watching. Bye.